What's up, everybody? We are here at the Turkey Lake Service Plaza. We're gonna meet with a couple cars and head to Cala Cars and Coffee. So get it.
I'm gonna go for a drive with the guys in the morning. Javi set it up, so I said, "Hey, let's go for it." You know, give it a nice, decent test to the twin turbo setup, just on a decent drive. I gotta behave. So, a lot of nice cars out here. A lot of nice cars out here to have fun with, but you gotta behave. But anyways, the behavior is gonna stop after tomorrow. Them suckers are gonna get ordered. So it'll be a good time. So come along, enjoy our trip. It's gonna be a good time, guys.
Moments later. One eternity later.
Alright, so we had a little, we ran into some Mexican federales. So we had a little delay, but we're back on the road. Javi and Rob are good, safe. Is what it is. But yeah, so we're back on our way. We got everybody here. We got, I don't know, maybe about 10 cars. So yeah. So we're gonna chill, have some fun, film a little bit, and get up to Ocala. We just got all the drama today. Hey, dead?
It's fucking done. Like,
have you ever changed the battery on this thing?
No.
Yeah, but it's completely dead like
it's
that.
like fucking done. Like it won't even pull a charge or nothing.
You see what you did, Javi? Man,
I'm not making it.
We're just trying to get to Ocala, bro. Finally on the way.
made it. We made it.
They
Made it.
literally parking out
Check it out.
here and everything.
See what they got.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record. Price on y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate, I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record. You ain't tryna go, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.
What the
Oh, is he breaking? Oh, you want some?
You're doing it for show.
It's all for show.
That was it. Ocala Cars and Coffee. We're heading out. The code for this video is Ocala Cars and Coffee. Hopefully by the time this video goes out, we already hit 2,000 subs, and maybe we already gave away the Amazon gift card or the Fun Spiller from Strictly Royal Racing. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed those couple cars and stuff, that little cruising part. Now we're gonna cruise, and if we get some footage, we'll get it in here. We're gonna cruise out, have some breakfast, and then head on out to the daily Sunday stuff. Peace.
Not our day today. Not our day at all. Man, problems after another. Our car's been working good then.
I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me.